Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today's recipe is sweet potato cake with sugar glaze. Take 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes. Put this in a pressure cooker. Add some 2 cups of water and pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. Our sweet potatoes are ready. After it cools down a little bit, just peel off the skin. Now mash these sweet potatoes well. Our mashed sweet potato is ready. Next we'll move on to the dry ingredients. First is the sugar. Take 3/4 cups of sugar. Add a small piece of cinnamon. Now grind it to a fine powder. Our mashed sweet potatoes and powdered sugar are ready. Next we'll move on and mix all the dry ingredients. This is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. To this add the powdered sugar. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now give a nice mix. Our dry ingredients are ready. Set this aside. Next we'll move on and mix all the wet ingredients. Take 50 grams of butter, that is 3.5 tablespoons of butter. To this add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and give a nice beat. To this add an egg and give a nice beat. Now it's time to add our sweet potatoes. Add the sweet potatoes little by little and give a nice mix. Our wet ingredients are over. Next we are going to add the dry ingredients little by little and we are going to give a nice mix. We are going to add approximately 1/4 cup of milk and add little by little and give a nice mix. We have to get a thick batter with pouring consistency, so adjust the milk according to it. Our batter is ready. Now take a greased cake tin. If you want, you can use the parchment paper also. So in goes our cake mixture. By this time, preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and bake the cake for about 40 to 45 minutes at the same temperature. You can also do the cake in a pressure cooker. We already have a video on it. If you want, you can refer that. Now our cake is ready. Next, we'll move on and do some glaze for this. Take 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. To this, add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon of milk. Give a nice mix. Now let us give our cake a nice coat with this glaze. The cake will absorb the glaze very well within 5 to 10 minutes. The glaze is almost absorbed and the cake is perfect now. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.